The week that was in 1.5 minutes. We ate the last bit of my banana bread literally 24 hours after I baked it. And then I chopped up my Persian cauliflower and beef stew into the slow cooker. I just chopped all the ingredients, added to the slow cooker the night before a busy day of baking because I was cooking on low and slow while I made my baci kisses. These are a beautiful hazelnut meal shortbread cookie that I have sandwiched together between some beautiful Nutella. So that is one of the 6 other combos in my Christmas in July cookie assortment box available on my website. Then I got interrupted by my garlic delivery. I have the best garlic dealer in town. And then I got started on my malt choc espresso cookies. These are a beautiful, not shortbread cookie. They have a bit of a chew to them. I piped them into little swirls and then dunked them in chocolate espresso. My daughter gave me a 10 out of 10 for these, so that is a big winner. I stole some more lemons from my neighbour's garden, which I then used in next week's YouTube episode where I made my zucchini and herb side dish. I then recipe tested this beautiful toasted sesame Asian dressing before I headed out to buy some flowers for myself for the week ahead. Anyway, till next week.